Why should a student be excited to take this class?
Director's Workshop is a great class for kids who are experienced in theater and they're looking for more opportunity to sort of stretch their skills and learn new things in regards to theater. It's a great class for students who either have done a number of theatrical performances at Orono High School or have taken several of the theater classes already. And it's specifically reserved for upperclassmen. So it is an opportunity for kids to get to work hands-on in the world of directing and with their peers, which is really fun and can kind of introduce new skills to them that they might not have had a chance to experience before.
What is the format/agenda of a typical class?
So this class is blended, which means that some days we're working together in the classroom and some days you're working on your own. The class is broken down into sort of three sections. The beginning section is script analysis, learning how to read scripts and how to analyze them. The second portion is a lot of small scene work where you're getting to know your peers and working hands-on with the acting to students. And then the third section is the final, which takes place over the last month of the course, where you're working with a concentrated group of your peers and you're directing a full one-act play.
How much is the homework load in a typical class?
I would say it's a moderate amount at the beginning of the semester. We do a lot of reading of scripts, but then as the semester goes on, a lot of it is just focused on you building out your personal scenes that you've chosen. So it kind of depends on the scene that you've chosen and how much work you get done in class versus how much you reserve for outside of class. But kids who are focused and able to utilize their work time should have a moderate to light amount.
What is the format for academic achievements?
Most of them are based on the scene work that you do with other students. So you're directing the acting to kids, they're graded on their performance, and you're graded on your ability to direct them and guide them through the scene. So some of that's happening in day-to-day work that we do, and then some of that's happening in the final performance. There are also some written assignments, but that's a smaller amount of items.
What type of student is successful in this class?
A student who loves theater, a student who is creative and looking for opportunities or ways to branch out in their theater knowledge, and a student who comes with an open mind and is excited to work with their peers.